Alright, we're back in the mayhem. I changed tools out. I'm put the tool back in that Mikey ground for me. This one is a high-speed, very old blue chip high-speed steel. And we're going to go watch this thing go to work here. And yeah, doesn't seem to be a problem. And obviously we're taking a bigger chip than we were on the other ones. I can't exactly tell the depth of cut of this one, but it's well within the 30,000th range, I'd have to think. And going through it like butter. When my good boy Mikey ground this thing up, he was saying that there's a lot of tungsten in this old high-speed steel. I got this at a swap meet, and it was sitting by itself, and I grabbed, probably 4 pieces of it, and a couple of old school Rexel tool bits as well with this. And I'm an idiot. I should have bought everything this guy had. I have no idea what it was, and it is just phenomenal tool steel. It's high-speed steel, but back in the early days, they were putting all kinds of crazy alloys together to see what would work on different stuff, I guess. And this turned out to be one of the better alloys because it is chopping up this Chinesium tool steel like it's nothing. And yeah, we're I would say well within the 3 or 30 thousandths cut range here. And it's making some very nice chips. No color to it. Also, the way that Mikey expertly ground this tool, it is still making a beautiful surface finish as well. It is just as good, if not better, than the just regular carbide tool. So I'll give you guys a shot of what it is. This one was picked out of a box. It is, I don't know if you guys can see it, AR6 Furthite H Delta. I don't know who this was, but it was just a natural tool as it came out of the box, and it cut actually quite well. And I may sharpen it on the carbide wheel there just to bring an edge back to it if it ever goes dull, but if not, I will use that for just small work. But obviously if I need to hog some stuff off, don't even mess with that. Go see Mikey. He will tell you how to grind some very nice tools. I was so lucky and so blessed to have him actually do the work for me. So all I got to do is basically keep these things sharp, and if I ever happen to screw one up, I at least do have a pattern to go on. I don't know how I'm going to screw it up, but if there is a bowling ball and a broomstick to get broken, I'm sure I'll get it somehow. And I don't know if I said it earlier or not, but I'm about 3 millimeters big now. So after this cut here, I'll take another measurement, and we may need to take one more finish cut, but we'll find out. Alright, basically we measured that I'm plus 2.42 millimeters. So we'll be coming down to that measurement here. It looks like we're taking 0.5 millimeter cuts here, so for you metric aficionados. probably had problems in the old days, people kind of getting lulled to sleep watching these things work. I don't know about going to sleep, but it is hypnotizing. I could be taking a lot more aggressive cuts on this, but yeah, why? It's just nice to watch it work. So used to hurrying on everything else, but I'm not going on this. Last cut. The rest of it's going to be a lot more of that stuff, but thank you guys for watching.